Hey everyone, so today is all about the brows. So I know brows can be a little bit tricky with, tweezing and shaping and filling in and all that good stuff. So I decided to make a video showing you kind of how I do my brows and how to make them look like this. So if you like how these look, then continue watching the video. I used to be really bad about how to do my brows, but I've done a lot of practice since. And I just want to share that with you guys. So I know I talk a lot at the beginning of my videos, so I'm going to try to kind of avoid that now. So here's the video. So here are some crazy brows. So I'm going to take my Sonia Kashuk eyebrow brush slash eyelash comb, and I'm going to use the brush side to just brush through my brows because they're quite messy. And actually, just brushing your eyebrows makes a world of a difference. Like, just look at how different this looks. So to shape your brows, just line up a straight edge of some sort and just take from the edge of your nose and up, that should be where it starts. And then from the outer corner of your eye and up is where your arch should be at its highest. And then there should be a diagonal line from the outer edge of your nose to the outer edge of your brow. So that's just kind of a quick and easy guide to where everything on your brow should be. So I usually just take some tweezers and pluck the stray hairs to start off with. And this is painful at first, but then your eyebrow kind of just gets used to it. But then it's red for a while, so I do recommend doing this at night. So then I take a facial razor, and you can get these at Sephora or Target or online, and I just take and remove any extra hairs that are there, like some of the smaller peach fuzzy type hairs, to really just perfect everything. And I also do this above my brow because I have some kind of like peach fuzz just growing right above it, and it just makes everything look weird. And then if you have really long eyebrow hairs, I recommend taking these scissors and pushing your eyebrows like so, but I don't really need to do that because they're already trimmed. So then, also to help you shape your brows, you can take a white eye pencil and draw a line where you think you want your brows to be, so then you could see what it would look like in case you're kind of afraid to pluck your brows thinking that it might look weird. So then you get kind of an idea, and then you can just pluck over that white line. So to actually fill in my brows, I take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in taupe, and I start by just drawing a line underneath my eyebrow. And this is a straight line. And I do the same thing on the top. It's kind of like lip liner, but for your eyebrows. And then I start filling in any of the bald spots. I love this because it's so fine and doesn't look like really fake, I don't think. So then I take this NYX Eyebrow Powder and I fill in more of the bald spots that kind of need a little extra work with the darker powder. And then I take this waxy stuff and use my finger, and this will help my eyebrows just stay in place all day long. So next I take some concealer and I put it right in the arch of my brow and all over my eyelid. This works as a great eyeshadow base, but also just kind of brightens up the area underneath your brow to make it look more defined. And I will do a little bit more on top to add kind of a highlight and again make your brows more defined. And easy as that, we're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and checking out my channel. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below with any positivity, constructive criticism, and suggestions, etc. Nothing rude, you know the deal. And be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Check me out on my other social media accounts. They are going to be in the bio below. And I'll see you soon. Bye guys.